Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you a brief update. This is the 1932 Ford Hot Rod that we're doing a complete a rebuild on or refreshening on. In previous videos, we were talking about the rear end and the features and the extra bit of paint work that we've done just in terms of highlights. Same thing with the frame. I apologize because we've got lots of dust on the frame now, but this is coming along quite nicely. So in the last video, last time you saw this frame, we had just reassembled the front end where we have the suspension and the brakes, and we talked about the powder coating and the features. We still don't have the front shocks yet, but they'll be coming shortly. So when the shocks arrive, we're going to feature them in the same red. So we're going to paint the car vermilion red, which is a special edition Ford color, bright red. So it's going to match the drive shaft and the rear differential. In some of the videos, I think it's lighting because of our fluorescent lighting, it kind of gives you an orange hue, and that's not accurate. Vermilion red is a very, very nice red, like a rich, almost like an over-ripened tomato, or a very rich colored blood red. So it'll probably show up better in real life than it does in the video. So since last time we did the suspension, we've got the wheels on now. So the guys were just kind of freshening the engine up a little bit, checked everything over, cleaned up the transmission, bolted them back together, and then the drive shaft, which is a new drive shaft, it was originally black, kind of like a satin black. So the guys and gals in the paint division did the same treatment as the rear differential. So what they did is they sanded it, they sprayed it with a two-part epoxy to seal the steel, then they applied a high build primer, and then hand sanded it all, and then applied this nice vermilion red base coat, and then clear coat, I think 3 coats of clear on top. So once this car is built, so they've been making lots of progress on the fiberglass body over in the body division. So mechanically, we have almost everything completed on the actual chassis and frame. So we're really happy the way this is turning out. And then we'll basically turn all of our attention now to the body itself. So we'll share with you some videos and updates on that with the fiberglass body. So this is the 1932 Ford Hot Rod. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.